We got all these to go and those 2 things to go. So hopefully we can get everything in here, get it loaded, and then get out of here. Crocs are not the best at any times, never mind when it's dewy and wet out. Oh, that kind of hurt. All right, we're strapped in. Let's do the official. I ain't going nowhere. I ain't going anywhere. Now that we got that out of the way, I think we're good. Perfect. All right, let's go. Okay, we are here. So we'll see what's going on, and we'll start hucking some stuff off. If someone was here to pick it up and off, that would be great. Good. Awesome. Okay, that's everything out of the back. Those are Dennis's tools. Fun fact about this place where I am right now, which is now AJ Metals, but my entire life growing up, this was Steven's Auto Wreckers. And Steve and Phyllis, they had this place for as long as I could remember, and I used to pick parts out of here. Dad and I would come through here for old car parts. This used to be one monster scrapyard all the way back, all the way through there. There was a ton of cool old stuff in here. I think there is still a couple of old things sitting up in that corner, and I know there's a couple Model A's or Model T's over in that corner that are so buried now. But I mean, we got so much stuff to build the T-Bucket, the 63 Chev, stuff for my 6.4, my Buick. Like, this place was awesome. I used to love coming through here with Dad, and on Saturdays, and we go scrapyarding and come picking through here. It was so much fun. Yeah, and now it's just a metal place, and they just do scrap, and they cleared everything out. Everything's pretty much gone. So they do a great job here. They've been super nice during the last move and then this one, and yeah, they pay really well. It's right around the corner. We don't have to drive as far as we used to anymore to do this. So yeah, it's the best of both worlds. But I do have a lot of memories of this place in here. Built a lot of cars out of here when I was a little kid and growing up, so it's always funny to kind of reflect back on that and how many hours I spent in here countlessly walking around with my dad. It's pretty crazy. Clink, clink. Oh, sir. Bye-bye, Volkswagen. And that's her. Let's go get her money. back on the thing. There we go. It's pretty good. 7,900 truck trailer, and I was 12 something going across. So that's a nice little chunk. So let's go see what we got.
Well, sorry about the confusion, man. But that's
all good, man.
money situation.
It's all good, man. Doesn't really bother me.
Yeah.
It doesn't bother me. So.
Yes, if it ever shows up somebody else's car, you just say it was stolen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
It'll be fun.
Yeah, that doesn't. Yeah. Not too worried about it. So perfect. All right, boys.
All right, man.
Thanks a lot. Yeah. Have a good one. All right, well, it's as easy as that. Yeah, that part is over. We got about 500 bucks in our pocket. We had a bunch of weight in the back, which was great, so that added, and a car full of weight. Those two pellet stoves were a couple 100 pounds all by themselves. The barbecue shit and then all the extra stuff. I wasn't really worried about those 4 aluminum rims. I could have put them out separately, but I don't care. Those guys can split the money and put them over in the aluminum pile if they want. So that gives us a little bit of cash, so that helps pay for some fuel and some stuff for picking up hoist yesterday and running around. So we're good. Cleans up the yard. Everybody wins. Not gonna lie, it kind of broke my heart here in the window smash and watching the one hook go right through the roof, but what are you gonna do? That old girl didn't owe me a thing, and she lasted me a long time. She had over 350, and we only really did top end stuff once. We did timing chain, or the timing belts or timing chains that always go on the Volkswagens. So we did those, but other than that, that thing was awesome. So RIP Volkswagen. It was good times. A lot of long road travels with that thing. Hatteras, North Carolina, a lot of stateside stuff, a lot of long runs back and forth to the city. So it's good. Okay. Let's go get up to the next thing, and may or may not put something else on this trailer. We got to go see a couple of people. We got to go see our boy Adam King over at Black Horse Cycle. If you don't already know who that is, make sure you like and follow along on all their socials. He brought home a fun little project yesterday that he wants to build into kind of a little neighborhood nightmare, street terror, just a super fun hot rod. Not really a hot rod, but some kid would have did it, and it's a 64.5 Mustang, one of 900 made. It's called a T5, not a Mustang, but it's a Mustang, but it's from the UK. It's European. It was in Germany, and I guess they were a T5 or a T6, whatever they called them, or a T9, something to do with T and a number. And it was a barn find, and it's been in the barn for decades, and it popped up for sale. I saw it the other day, sent it to him as soon as it popped up. I'm like, hey, this is what you were kind of looking for, to build kind of like that mid-60s mild street running gasser that a kid that works his ass off all week would build, and then go out on the weekends and f*** around and hop on it, and just a nice little mild street machine to terrorize the neighborhood in like a kid in the 60s would. So he went and got it yesterday, so congratulations to him. So he brought it home here to Sauble, so it's now here. It needs a little bit of work. It's got the inline 6 in it, but he's got a small block 302 HO ready to go for it. So it's gonna be a fun little weapon, that car. So we're gonna probably head over there later and give him a hand. And then that's when we might be loading something else up. Something might be following us home maybe. We'll see. We'll see what happens. It's always an adventure. Turtle. This is crazy. Hi, little buddy. Somebody ran over that one up there. It's a swamp on both sides. Hi, little buddy. We're gonna get you across so you don't get squashed. There you go. Because that poor guy got fucking cranked earlier. I'm not gonna show it, but I'm gonna pick him up and move him because this sucks. That sucks. Middle of the road, on a road that nobody travels on, and you couldn't move for that. I absolutely hate that up here in the country. It sucks. So many people are in such a damn hurry, especially during tourist season, We have all the tourists and all the city people and everybody, and it just, man, I stop in the big truck throughout the day and move turtles and snapping turtles. I can't stand it around here. And then you get the people that actually aim for them. And those are the people you just wanna, well, I'm not even gonna say what you'd wanna do, but you know what it would be. So, we got that little guy, run little froggy. Like, there's no need to be flying down the road. You can see clear as day, you could see a mile up ahead if a turtle is on the road. Okay, back to happy. Let's go put something else on this trailer.